Alright, took me about 5 or 6 tries to get this bracket right, or the adapter. So that's how this will all go down. This is not the actual extruder I'm going to use, but this adapter is available on printables. What it is I got 2 of these for repair, about 3 megas. One of them was, the repairs weren't going to be cost effective, so I was allowed to keep it, and I simply fixed the other one and gave it back. So now I'm rebuilding it, basically, the new motherboard and other various parts.